Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect a Tesla car to Home Assistant dashboard step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have a Home Assistant instance running. Open your web browser and navigate to your Home Assistant dashboard. Make sure you are logged in to your Home Assistant account. Next, open a new tab and go to the Tesla developer website. Log in with your Tesla account credentials to create an access token. Copy the access token as you'll need it later. Return to your Home Assistant dashboard. Click on the Settings option in the sidebar. Under Devices and Services, select Integrations. Locate the Add Integration button and click on it. In the search bar, type Tesla and select the Tesla integration from the list. Paste the access token you copied earlier into the designated field. Click Submit to connect your Tesla account to Home Assistant. Follow any additional prompts that may appear on the screen. Once the integration is complete, you will see your Tesla vehicle information on the dashboard. You can customize the display by adding the Tesla entities to your favorite dashboard view. To do this, navigate to your dashboard and select Edit. Click on Add Card and choose the type of card you want to display your Tesla data. Select the entities related to your vehicle. Adjust the card settings to your preference and save your changes. Your Tesla car is now connected to your Home Assistant dashboard. You can now monitor your vehicle's status and control certain functions directly from Home Assistant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.